Hello guys, here I come to show you the step-by-step of how to create this super beautiful suitcase style coloring box to give away as a favor at parties. We start loading the design in our program. If you work with Silhouette Studio, you should not do this step. The file brings some green lines, which we must score and then attach. With all the pieces we must do the same. The file includes 2 pieces with the holes of the crayons, one of 4 crayons and one of 6 crayons. You must choose the one you want and eliminate the other. When you have everything ready, send the file to be cut. We start by folding the tabs of the box where the marking lines are. I also tell you that it includes a blank template with 5 rectangles that fit on a letter size sheet so that you can place the images you need to print there and then cut them out and place them in the box. And then we are going to glue what will be the accessories included in the design. It is not necessary that you place them, but they are there if you want to give a different touch to your box. We glue the tabs on the part of the base. We have to be aware of adjusting it very well. And then we are going to place the piece on the front part of it. We are also going to place the handle and glue it to the tabs. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. We can help of any tool that we have to apply pressure and that our silicone sticks correctly, so that in this way we already have what our gift box or party favors is ready. And if you like this type of content, like and subscribe. Now we are going to give it that special touch, that is our coloring station. The design includes 2 ways to do it. You can place these 2 little tabs, which are the blue pieces in the file, and we have to adjust them according to the size of the sheets. It's a little more complicated because we have to adjust the size ourselves. But also the design includes another pink template which has these 2 cuts included. The only difference is that the sheets will be seen on the back, but if we do it with the tabs, they will not be seen. Now we are going to glue this piece to the bottom of our box, and we have to do it from the back since the tab of this large piece must fit into the same opening where the other tab that closes our box fits. Pay attention in this step. Visit my store to find designs ready to show off at parties. I'll leave the link in the description below. What remains is to fold the piece where the crayons are going to go. We glue it. And then we are going to place it in our little box. Do not place it so high so that the crayons remain fixed and do not move or come out from the bottom. Always we help ourselves with some tool whenever it helps us to apply pressure. And as you can see, it's ready. We fit our sheets there and put the crayons in. It is perfect to fill it with all the sweets and candies that fit inside. Now we only have to personalize it with the theme of the party. You can decorate it on the sides and on the front. I just do not recommend that you do it on the back, since that is where the children will color. And look how beautiful and spectacular our box looks, like a super innovative coloring station for those party favors.